Welcome back to One to Step, and in today's video I'll be showing you how to log into your Network Rail account. Before getting started, if you are new to the channel, please do subscribe and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. Now let's get started. First of all, open your Google Chrome or any web browser. Then on the search bar type in Network Rail login. Once you press enter, you'll see these kind of results. From this, click on the first link. Then it will take you to this login page. You can either log in with your LinkedIn account or you can go ahead and enter your username and your password. And if you don't have an account, you can click on this link to register for a new account. Now go ahead and enter your username. After that, enter your password. And in case if you don't remember your password, you can click on this link to recover it. Once you're set, make sure you have entered your correct credentials, then click on the login button and you'll be logged into your account. That's it for this video. I hope this video was helpful, and if it was, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe, and turn on the notification bell icon so that you get notified every time we upload new videos. And I will catch you on the next one.